Hey guys, welcome to Investify, where we help you grow your wealth through smart investments. Today, we're delving into a gold mine of opportunities. Uncovering how Cathie Wood is betting her wealth on a stock that's primed to surge an incredible 600%. Don't be left behind, seize this chance to be part of a millionaire-making venture right away. When analyzing cars, Tesla stands out not only because of its brand, which has certainly made remarkable strides in recent years, but also when you consider factors like range and power. In terms of these crucial aspects, most other auto manufacturers, unless they are willing to operate at a loss, will struggle to keep up with or match Tesla's performance. According to Cathie Wood, these developments carry significant implications, both in terms of performance and range. Nevertheless, it's important to distinguish the dimension of branding. While other automotive manufacturers possess established brands with devoted customer bases, as consumers progressively shift from gas-powered vehicles to electric ones, they are increasingly scrutinizing the specification of various models. This scrutiny may still be influenced by brand loyalty. However, they might not perceive other electric vehicles as superior to Tesla's offerings. Looking ahead, Tesla is poised to escalate its investments in electric vehicles over the next year or so, potentially surpassing its competitors in this aspect. It's noteworthy to recall that just half a decade ago, doubts loomed over Tesla's survival, with bankruptcy predictions abounding. However, in the present day, Tesla is not only generating substantial cash flow but is also making assertive moves to expand its ventures. We anticipate that Tesla will unveil further developments before the year concludes, fueled by an array of signals pointing towards economic fragility. While some might be fixated on employment gains within non-farm payrolls, it's imperative to broaden our perspective by considering household employment data, which provides a more comprehensive view of employment trends. Over the past 4 months, household employment has either remained stagnant or declined. Moreover, examining jobless claims reveals a startling uptick from previous lows, with a sharp increase of approximately 50%. Layoffs are on the rise as well, as indicated by Challenger's survey, which reports a year-over-year increase of 55 to 60%. Much of this phenomenon can be attributed to an overwhelming surplus of inventory. Recent economic indicators underscore the presence of a substantial inventory glut, which has precipitated layoffs and weakened economic conditions. Although the Consumer Price Index or CPI and to some extent the Producer Price Index or PPI operate as lagging indicators shaping Federal Reserve's policy decisions, our attention turns to the Dr. Copper commodity, renowned for its prophetic qualities. While it had been consistently trading within the $4 to $5 per pound range for a year, it has now undergone a notable dip to $3.50 per pound, signifying a noteworthy shift. This descent in copper prices will inevitably influence economic indicators, albeit at a gradual pace. Copper prices have dwindled by approximately 20% on a month-over-month basis, and year-over-year, they exhibit a similar decline. Before we continue, remember to show your support by giving this video a big thumbs up, subscribing to our channel, and hitting the notification bell to stay updated with our latest content. In August 2020, gold prices peaked and have since stayed in a narrow range, now nearing the lower limit. If the Federal Reserve continues its strict policies and boasts the US dollar, we expect further declines in commodities. These developments, along with other economic indicators, support the possibility of an impending recession, characterized by 2 consecutive quarters of declining real GDP. The current trajectory of 3 consecutive months of leading indicators downturn aligns seamlessly with this prognosis. Now let's talk about the strategy for capturing growth amid these economic shifts. As we examine this captivating stock with the potential to create millionaires, it's crucial to acknowledge the distinctive economic backdrop. The promise of a remarkable 600% upside hinges on several pivotal factors, notably our comprehensive assessment of an inventory recession and the ongoing dynamics of economic transformation. When considering the potential of this stock, it's essential to delve into China's role in the equation. The impact of China's economic uncertainty cannot be disregarded. Specifically, understanding the implications of the real estate downturn in China which significantly influences its economy, is crucial in the context of our investment strategy. Innovation serves as the guiding light in our approach, and it perfectly aligns with the potential presented by this stock. Our steadfast dedication to innovation becomes particularly relevant in times of challenge and adversity. It's during these moments that innovation truly shines, stepping in to tackle issues such as supply chain disruptions and the surge in prices with unparalleled effectiveness. In assessing various investment approaches, it's clear that innovation often receives insufficient recognition. However, we consider the stock a strong testament to its substantial potential. Our investment method, blending top-down and bottom-up research with a 5-year perspective, perfectly complements the opportunities presented by this stock. In the pursuit of efficiency, Tesla's decision to release their investment models on GitHub is noteworthy. This innovative approach resonates harmoniously with the stock's potential for substantial growth. When it comes to the dynamics of inflation, deflation, and the path forward, the appeal of a remarkable 600% upside largely relies on our perspective regarding innovation's pivotal role, particularly in the context of potential deflation encompassing both cyclical and secular aspects. By scrutinizing the stock within the framework of these intricate economic dynamics, we can gain a comprehensive understanding of the opportunity it presents. In conclusion, the prospect of 600% upside potential in the context of Cathie Wood's significant investment in this Millionaire-Maker stock is an opportunity that demands attention. Understanding the economic factors, the role of innovation, and the global dynamics at play provides valuable insights for those considering entering this market. Whether you're an investor seeking growth or simply keeping a close eye on market trends, the significance of this investment cannot be understated. It's a reminder of the dynamic and ever-evolving nature of financial markets, where astute analysis and bold decisions can lead to substantial gains. Are you convinced that this Millionaire-Maker stock has the potential for a 600% upside? Share your thoughts in the comments below. That's it for today. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and ring that notification bell for more updates here on Investify.